Okay, so Victoria, you're doing your new words for school, right? All right, and what are your new words?
Where, there, and there.
So there's 3 kinds of there?
Yeah.
All right, tell me about the 3 kinds of there.
The first there that I'm going to tell you about is the there that, like, you are, go over there. Like, it is spelled T-H-E-R-E.
Okay.
And there's another there that I'm just learning, and it's well, the one that I'm learning is, well, it's like they're here. T-H-E-Y-R-E. And the there, that's theirs. Like that there is T-H-E-R, no, T-H-E-I-R.
Okay, and that's theirs?
Like it's their stuff.
Cool. Thanks.